Trying to land your dream job, you might have only one opportunity, so you have to get it right. That starts with a great resume. You might have all kinds of credentials and experience, but an imperfect resume will ruin your chance every time. But don't worry, by using a powerful resume template, you can build out the perfect resume for any job or career. Welcome to the top 5 premium InDesign resume templates. We'll explore the very best templates available today and talk about how they can help you succeed and land that big interview. Great resumes have one major goal: telling your story in perfect style. Luckily, that's exactly what all 5 will do. What's more, each of these InDesign resume templates and many more are included with your Envato Elements membership. For a flat monthly rate, you can try out as many as you want. Check it out and join today. A key rule of a good resume is to use only a single sheet of paper. Recruiters may read hundreds and don't have time for a ton of content, but that doesn't mean you should leave out important facts or skim over key details. 2-column InDesign Resume is right for you if you need to pack a lot onto a single sheet. With custom colors, photo placeholders, and an easy way to visualize your key skills, this one stands out from the crowd with its sleek custom style. Plus, with free fonts, it's quick and easy to customize to fit your own story. Resume Arrieta captures the spirit of a great modern resume. It complements your main attributes with a soft, minimalist design. Work experiences sit front and center, with education and skills immediately below. The left column is devoted to a short intro paragraph and all of those crucial contact details. But here's the real beauty of an InDesign resume template. Every one of these sections is completely customizable, so you can quickly tailor it to fit your own needs and experiences. However you arrange your layout, you can be sure to generate an impressive, high-quality finished resume. The minimalist and clean resume template helps you visually capture the nature and essence of your experiences. A prominent photo placeholder allows you to share a professional headshot. Right below, you'll see 2 neat columns to outline your bio, skill set, education, languages spoken, and more. Everything is print ready to have copies in your hands in minutes. Be sure as you work to swap out colors and fonts to help make it your own. And if you need a cover letter to go along with your new resume, you're in luck. Right inside the download is one to match. Resume and cover letter. The name speaks for itself, and so does the refined, elegant style. This one perfectly captures the harmony between words and images. It stands out for the optional, unique background image. Plus, you'll benefit from the photo placeholder on the left and the subtle uses of color. As usual, this one is fully customizable and adaptable to your purpose. With a cover letter included, you can quickly build out a matching set, sure to wow any hiring manager. There's even the option to edit in Microsoft Word if you need to make any quick changes along the way. CV Resume Portfolio. No matter your objective, achieve it the right way with this boldly designed template. Here you see a sleek black and white design, but if bright colors are your style, you'll find 8 more options inside the download. Billboard titles are paired with stylish paragraph blocks to share your details. This one is ideal for photographers and artists, with the included portfolio space to illustrate your work. It truly looks like a fashion magazine, and there's no more attractive way to tell a story through words and pictures. Much more than just a resume, it's your life and career experiences in print. As you've seen, it's easy to create a stunning custom resume thanks to these premium InDesign templates from Envato Elements. Now it's your turn. What dream job will you land with an amazing resume like these? Let us know down below in the comments. And while you're at it, make sure to like this video and go subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. Over there, you'll find content roundups like this one, along with quick and fun tutorials, how-to guides, and so much more. Thanks for watching.